Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome. This quick guide shows how to get a GPU on Kaggle. Create or sign into your Kaggle account first. Open a new notebook or kernel from your dashboard. Click Settings and choose the Accelerator option. Pick GPU to enable hardware acceleration for the session. Typical free GPUs include Tesla T4 and P100 depending on availability. Note that each session runs up to 12 hours, and accounts receive 30 hours of GPU time per. Next, I will show steps to enable and confirm the GPU is active. In your notebook, open Settings and set Accelerator to GPU, then save. After the session starts, run the command NVIDIA SMI in a code cell to view the GPU model and memory. For PyTorch, run import torch, print torch. CUDA is available to ensure CUDA is accessible. If you need libraries, install them with pip. For example, pip install torch or pip install TensorFlow in a code cell. Finally, I will share practical tips to manage GPU limits effectively. Remember, each session lasts up to 12 hours, and you have 30 hours of GPU time each week. Save model checkpoints frequently to the /Kaggle/working folder to avoid losing progress. Use the CPU for data preprocessing and reserve the GPU for training to save GPU hours. Reduce batch size or use mixed precision to cut training time. Always stop or terminate idle sessions to preserve your weekly GPU quota.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.